Gone are the days of struggling with green screens or spending hours manually editing video backgrounds. Today, I'll introduce you to a revolutionary AI tool that allows you to remove video backgrounds with a single click. And the best part, it's completely free. Whether you're a content creator, a social media enthusiast, or someone who simply wants to jazz up their videos, this tool is perfect for you. Introducing ClipDrop's Relight Video. The tool we're talking about today is ClipDrop's Relight Video, an advanced AI-powered platform that simplifies background removal like never before. ClipDrop was initially known for image editing, but now it offers video background removal capabilities that are intuitive and efficient. How it works. Number 1. Visit ClipDrop's website. Start by navigating to ClipDrop's official site. No downloads or installations are needed. It's entirely browser-based. Number 2. Upload your video. Drag and drop your video into the interface. ClipDrop supports multiple file formats, so you won't have to worry about compatibility. Number 3. Let the AI do its magic. Once uploaded, the AI processes your video in seconds. It automatically detects the subject and removes the background with precision. Number 4. Preview and download. You can preview the result directly on the platform. If it looks good, hit the download button and save your video with a transparent background or a new custom backdrop. Pro tips for best results. Tip 1. Ensure your video has good lighting for optimal background detection. Tip 2. Keep the subject distinct from the background to minimize errors. Tip 3. Experiment with different backgrounds to give your video a unique touch. Conclusion. With tools like ClipDrop's Relight Video, creating high-quality professional videos has never been easier. No subscriptions, no tedious editing, just one click. And you're done. If this guide helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more AI tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.